Ever wondered how scientists can tell how much matter hides inside just a few grams of a substance? Stay tuned, because in this video, we're turning grams into moles like a chemistry magician. Mole is a unit of particles. When the mole of a substance is known, its mass can be calculated. On the other hand, when the mass of a substance is known, its mole can be calculated. The relationship between the mass and mole of a substance is shown by the formula mole of the substance is equal to the mass given over the molar mass of a substance. Let's consider a few examples. How many moles are in 5 grams of oxygen molecule? Mole is equal to the mass given over molar mass of oxygen molecule. The mass given is 5 grams. The molar mass of oxygen molecule is 32 grams per mole. 5 over 32 gives 0.16 moles. Therefore, 5 grams of oxygen molecule contains 0.16 moles. Another example, find the number of moles in 60 grams of hydrochloric acid. Mole is equal to the mass given over the molar mass of sulfuric acid. The mass given is 60 grams. The molar mass of sulfuric acid is 98 grams per mole. 60 over 98 gives 0.61 moles. Therefore, 60 grams of sulfuric acid contain 0.16 moles. Let's now see how to find the mass of a substance when given the moles. What is the mass of 4.2 moles of calcium nitrate? The formula then becomes mass is equal to mole times molar, mass of calcium nitrate. The moles given is 4.2 moles. The molar mass of calcium nitrate is 164. 4.2 times 164 gives 688.8 grams. So 4.2 moles of calcium nitrate contains 688.8 grams. Another example. How many grams of potassium sulfate are there in 25.3 miles? Mass is equal to mole times molar mass. The mass given is 25.3. The molar mass of potassium sulfate is 174. 25.3 times 174 gives 402.2 grams. So 25.3 moles of potassium sulfate have 402.2 grams. To recap, a mole is a unit of particles. When the mole of a substance is given, the mass of that substance can be calculated, and when the mass of a substance is given its mole, can be calculated. The relationship between the mass of the substance and its mole is equal to mass given over molar mass. Mass and mole are two sides of the same scientific coin. Mastering their relationship means you've unlocked one of the most powerful tools in quantitative chemistry. Now that you can convert mass to moles and back, in the next video, we'll explore mole ratio calculations in chemical equations. Stay tuned. Stay curious.